iDiski TV powered by World Sports Betting, idiskitimes.co.za. Sifikele esigqibelweni sakhe ke uGroup C weCAF Champions League. Apho ke Mamelodi Sundowns zibekele indawo ke kwi-quarter finals zeCAF Champions League zale season ka-2025-2026. Now, Sundowns igqobetha iMC Alger ngo 2-0. During the week, there were a lot of talks. Ukuthi Ngaba Rulani is coming to SA to end. He hopes the Sundowns of going further with CAF Champions League. But Miguel Cardoso, when they saw ukuthi wenza dume ngazo every time he plays against Coach Rulani. Remember last season when he was still coaching Esperance Junior. He knocked out the Sundowns. Remember the season before last, where he beat the Sundowns, knocked out the Sundowns with semi-finals, the CAF Champions League. This season, it will be a rivalry again between Coach Miguel Cardoso and Coach Rulani. And there was one winner, Miguel Cardoso. Mamelodi Sundowns are through to the quarterfinals of CAF Champions League this season. Junior, madukubulisa mfethu kunjani?
Shane kunjani mfethu?
I'm okay, my
Ngibulise Justice. Amanithi sibulise igame mayiphela ngoba sisesenenye igame esobhekana. Yeah, there's big games for big players. I'll put it that way. Well done to certain players at Sundowns because somunye umuntu makabhekele game might say it's easy. Psychologically, as usual, there were a lot of critics from Sundowns players, including myself, numbering critics, because Sundowns is a standard fit. Then been watching Sundowns couple of months, not themselves. There were certain players never perform according to the standard they were set for many years. I'll just compliment to Mikel Cardoso as well. Sure. Was critical to him. Angithi club mangabe idliwe, we also passed him. Siba straightforward akusuthi personally we've been spugeli ball as analyze the way umchita the way he approached the game.
Yes.
So made some compliment in today's game. I think the mindset of Mikel Cardoso and his players was clear today. First whistle, Sundowns pressed this team. Never allowed the build up Karulani. They know with the strong points ake also build up a space up behind you. Bampresi Lurlani. It doesn't have those type of players who can play under pressure. You can't rely on tactics. I think MCL they rely more on tactics than playing the game on the field. They don't have quality players individual. It's more they're playing a physique. They play as a team. Maybe at home they will be better, but they were outclassed today, honestly, in all departments. First half, I would say Sundowns compliment to them. For me, Shane, Sundowns, I think they pressed these guys. First 10 minutes or so, or 7 Konalapo. Mistake from Angazwai, Baltalipola Central here. I'm not too sure.
It was way too casual.
Casually, 1 to 10. Dangerous area, well done to Sales to press there. And good shot from the Atori target. Leon, dangerous player. Lemchito Sazula Bantabaning. Being Funumonises and Maricalida. But now, man, just proof. You don't need my quality player. Doesn't need about 20 games. We are born a striker. Remind me of Romario, the Brazilian height. The way a dynamic na corner mobile. Mhlambi different to Tagalanda,
Bantabako. Brazilian.
One of the best country in the world. They've proved themselves individually in this nation. But if it is 5. So going to the game. I think good goal, Sundowns. Well done to, I think, Leon. From there, I think this team, Rulani, the mindset was clear. I think the message from the bench would know, guys, let's get a goal. But he was still cautious. The way at Lalanga corner, allowing Sundowns to build up. Sundowns, when you check out to Adendungamkadi game, the identity will be lost. The identity of Sundowns will be lost. I can be honest to you. Bebangana king and with Balzale most building up, and then the Bebangana today Bebangana this thing we need to play in my department. Build up was to building up just Kanani and then playing the middle they 10. The next thing they are Basia final about Chitalava. Overload this side right, which is Umrena, Umdao going forward. Danger. I think they've analyzed them with a danger. Bana number even up front. How many shot on target in Kulmanga first half? Okay. But Ganga, we are behind the defense of Sundowns, Kulmanga first half, nothing. Let alone the shots. But La Liga in Gaki Afinabo, Msambi, 5 touches, they are finished Sundowns, nothing. In Kulmanga first half. So it's Sundowns well done to get the goal. I think the game second half. If Guti year of time, Sundowns deserve to lead. They also dominated the game. Though we badlala ngama-moment first half. Second half, bringing Alende.
Sorry, Junior, before taking the second half,
Yeah.
what do you think coach run plan yake was first half? Because if you saw, he was sitting back, not posing any threats to defense when the Sundowns. So what do you think was the idea ka coach Rulani coming into this game?
Na emele angasho la hleli khona respect Sundowns this guy. Rulani Mkwena respect Mamelodi Sundowns in all like serious. Uyayihlonipha Sundowns. You can't get punished early. It's 10 minutes or 7 or 10 khona la.
Yeah.
And then you still defend too deep. I don't understand. I know.
Did you think Mhlambe, yeah, we're playing against Sundowns. I'm coaching a team as Algeria. They won a league last season. So you think Mhlambe kwenye yengqondo yakhe uyarealize ukuthi even if I can go pound for pound with the Sundowns, there's nothing enza pa.
And then Shane made this guy Sundowns credit. Pela, they are not at their best. But in today they play better than Ama game. Maybe this year, Angazi game is 2 or 3. One of the best game compared to it. So Sundowns, for you, honestly speaking, one of the best game. Yeah, but this season Mhlambe game is 2-3. One of the best game for Sundowns. Fluid. It came highly. The standard, in fact, taxi to a premiership play. I mean, we talk about the Champions League. Psychological, you need to be prepared. Physical. The game be personal. You could tell on the bench there, my coaches, technical team, both Abo Wendell, Robinson. So pointing fingers, Nabu, Steve Compare, Basuguma, and Kurman, Abu Mikel Kadu. So be personal game, but in Tandur Rulani, we are Zambuling a corner.
Sure. Because
you can't pen your preaches. And in Sundowns, I'm near Rulani, need Sundowns. We don't know in future what things are going. So, second half they dominated. Sundowns is Sakurulani. They dominated the game. And they saw Rulani when he pressed, the space up behind was exposed. And that's why they got second goal. Then when you're Leon for second goal, star player, I think it deserved the man of the match. Well done to him, but I think it's a square pass. I allow Zipola. Me, I'm fair too. Me, Nadam Fanaloya is one of the best players compared to a premiership. Because Lamfana, Magule level aguyo, Gule position in national team, ya benefit. So Lamfana allows the ball. So second half, Alende did very well. Mshishi came on. But they managed the game very well. Also breaking this Urlani defense. Bengati can be easy. That's why it was outclassed. Urlani Mkwena was outclassed. Team they rely on my tactics. I think players they never came to the party. Same cool team in Urlani Mkwena. So unfortunately, sometimes they deserve to win, even 3 goals being I win a game. So they deserve in all. No matter they deserve to win this game.
So udlalo namhlanje Junior ndikuva uyincoma performance Sundowns ukuthi this was one of Sundowns best performances. Do you think Sundowns mhlambi they might switch to another gear after lo mdlalo and realize ukuthi okay we are in the quarterfinals now, mhlambi you might see ezinye performances ezinje namhlanje going forward to quarterfinals, or mhlambi would you say it was maybe mhlambi a matter because they were playing against their former coach, there was so many things that was said about Julia coming into this game. Do you think mhlambi it's one of those things influence with the Sundowns when a performance at namhlanje?
Angiko showing consistency even this season azange babe consistent. I need to be honest. Because Mikel Cardoso can surprise you. Yazi lineup yakhe na you can angeke uyigarante ungabona ulungu on the left hand side. Or ubonele mfana Sibiya. We understand if you can keep this team and panic, relax on the bench, allow these players to play, because players they make namhlanje by click, and the coach well done to the coach also ngicala ngale 11 namasapo I think they complemented. So Sundowns in fact to job ngisho, I'm not too sure about consistency this season. This season you only game is 2-3 after isikhathi eside ngibabona ba they perform this way. And it is a high profile game accept njoba ngisho, this is not the Nedbank or MTN8 or whatever Betway Premier, this is the Champions League. And the week game decide violation accept game with Sundowns they already qualified. Both teams they needed points, so psychological bedlala indima enkulu. So I mean Sundowns njoba ngisho ngithi amanye team I think they need to learn. Irrespective, nami I was critical because Sundowns ngiyibonile set standard for the past 10 years. Yeah, because the more Sundowns go up in terms of the level of ilo yabo, i-performance yabo, i-national team benefit. Sonke South Africa benefit and Pirates as well. Laba khona manje baba complementana. We can say we can win any tournament that we can participate in Africa or you understand. But now in today's games just ukuphendula. Akusama game amaningi bawudlale kanje kule season. So it's one of the best, but bang remind me who they are. I mean, Sundowns, truly speaking, if they are the best, I'm not too sure about going forward, but I'm fit today. Made especially Sundowns, the meaning yazi.
Yeah. Junior, thank you so much for your analysis. Umdlalo we-CAF Champions League and lapho ke Sundowns izibethele MC Alger ngo 2-0 eLoftus Stadium. Sundowns are through to the quarterfinals of the CAF Champions League. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.